Aslamu alaikum. Hopefully you all are doing great and are working on your mathematics notebook, also practicing questions daily. Today, we are going to learn next topics. You have to understand it first and note the classwork on your neat notebook and the work on homework by yourself. Let's start it.
Today I'm here so that we can learn all together how to add fractions with the same denominator. Do you remember what a fraction is? A fraction is a number which indicates the division of a whole number in equal parts. First, let's remember which are the parts of a fraction. This is the numerator, and this number is the denominator. Today we're going to take one step further. We'll learn how to add fractions. To add fractions with the same denominator, we leave the common denominator and add the numerators. It's very simple. Let's see an example. To add 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8, we leave the common denominator, in this case it's number 8, and we add the numerators, that is 2 plus 3, which equals 5. This result, number 5, will be the numerator. The result is 5 over 8. Are you up for a challenge to practice a bit more? In the Smile and Learn universe, there's a planet called Smiley-thon. This planet is divided into 8 equal parts. 2/8 of the planet are occupied by friendly aliens, and the remaining 3/8 by grumpy aliens. What fraction would represent the overall number of land occupied by all the aliens on the planet? To find out, we'll need to add the fractions 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8. Do you remember how to do this math operation? Remember that the result would have to be the same denominator. In this case, it would be the number 8. And now, to calculate the numerator, we'll add the numerators 2 and 3, which equals 5. The result will be that 5/8 of the land are occupied by aliens. Will you help me figure out something else? Learnython, our neighboring planet, is divided into 5 equal parts. There is yellow water on 1/5 of the planet, purple water on 3/5 of the planet, and volcanic soil on 1/5 of the planet. How much of the land on planet Learnython is covered with water? To find out, we'll need to add the fractions 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5. First, in the result, we'll leave the common denominator, and then we'll add the numerators 1 plus 3, which equals 4. The result will be that 4/5 of the land of the planet are covered with water. Thank you for helping me. Now you know how to add fractions with the same denominator. Little by little, you're going to become math experts. Keep up the good work. See you around. Hello again, math friends. We're going to continue learning about fractions. Today, we're going to learn how to subtract fractions with the same denominator. Do you remember what a fraction is? A fraction is a number which indicates the division of a whole number in equal parts. First, let's remember which are the parts of a fraction. This is the numerator, and this number is the denominator. To subtract fractions with the same denominator, we leave the common denominator and only subtract the numerators. It's very simple. Let's see an example. We need to solve this math problem. 5/9 minus 2/9. The denominator stays the same. In this case, it's the number 9. Now we subtract the numerators. That is 5 minus 2, which equals 3, which will be the numerator in the answer. The result of this math problem will be 3/9. Are you up for a challenge to practice a bit more? In the Smile and Learn universe, there's a planet called Smiley-thon. The planet is divided into 8 equal parts. In 6 of these 8 fields, they grow apple trees and lemon trees. If 4 of the 8 fields are planted with lemon trees, how many fields are planted with apple trees? To find out, we'll have to subtract fractions. We need to subtract the total number of fields planted with fruit trees from the number of fields planted with lemon trees to find out how many apple tree fields there are, meaning 6/8 minus 4/8. Do you remember how to do this math operation? Remember that we should put the same denominator in our answer. In this case, number 8. Now, to calculate the numerator, we subtract the numerator 6 minus 4, which equals 2. The result is that 2 of the 8 fields are planted with apple trees. That is 2/8. Will you help me figure out something else? Planet LearnTurn is divided into 5 equal parts. On this planet, there are wooded areas and areas with houses. If they built houses on 3 of LearnTurn's fields, how many parts of the planet are covered with woods? To find the solution, we'll need to subtract the fractions. 5/5 minus 3/5. To work out the answer, first we leave the same denominator. In this case, it's number 5. And then we subtract the numerators. In this case, 5 minus 3, which equals 2. The result is that 2 parts of LearnTurn planet are covered with woods. That is to say, 2/5. Congratulations! Now you know how to subtract fractions with the same denominator.
So this is how you can work on addition and subtraction. So you have to add like fractions just by making the denominator keeping the same. You would be moving on it, and you have to add the numerator simply. Similarly, if you are going to do the subtraction, you have to do the same procedure. Just you have to subtract the numerators. And then you are getting improper fraction in the answer. You have to convert it into a mixed fraction. We would be watching it next. In the first question, you have to open page 84, exercise 7.3, to add the following questions. You could see over here we have the E part that is showing 5/9 plus 7/9. So we would be having a common denominator, that is 9, and we are just adding the numerators, that becomes 12. But now we could see that this is improper fraction, and also they're getting divided with some common table. What is the common table that you can use over here? As we know, we previously worked on it last day to convert the fractions into their lowest forms. So yes, you would divide the numerator and denominator with 3, and it becomes 4/3. So 4/3 is an again improper fraction, so you have to divide it in the rough work. You draw a line for rough work and divide it 4/3 to convert it into the mixed fraction, as we already know how to convert it, and you have to write the answer. Let's try it. Let's see, it's 1 into 1/3. Similarly, you have to work on in the G part. We can see this. We have 7 as a common denominator. So what we are doing over here, we are just going to add the numerators, and it becomes 14, and 14/7. What is it showing? It's showing that the both are in the table of 7, so both can be divided by 7. So we are just dividing the numerator and denominator with 7 to convert it in a lowest form. Yes, you know that as we have practiced questions last day. So it becomes 7 and 14. When 14 is divided by 7, it becomes 2, and 7 divided by 7, it becomes 1. So 2 by 1 is written as 2. Okay. Next is I part, in which you have a common denominator, that is 13, and you have numerators 1 plus 5 plus 9, that become 15. 15 and 13 don't have any common table, but that's a improper fraction. You can see 15 by 13. So you have to draw the line for rough work, and you have to divide it in the rough work to convert this improper fraction into the mixed fraction, and it comes out to be 1 into 2 by 13. Let's try it on your own. And now we are moving to question number 3. Question number 3 is about the subtraction of the fractions. As we did the addition, that's similar to the addition. As we could see in the F part, we are having 16 the denominator, and both are the common denominators, and they are same. So we are having one denominator as 16, and the numerators would get subtracted. 15 minus 7, that becomes 8. 8 by 16 is not the, it's not the lowest form. How you can convert it to the lowest form? Yes, by divided by 8. So 8 divided by 8 would come 1, and 16 divided by 8 would come 2. So 1 by 2 is the lowest form. That's the answer. Now we have 4 over 9 minus 2 over 9, and 9 is the common in both, so we are taking it as a denominator would be 9, and we are subtracting numerators, that is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 by 9 is the lowest form, as it cannot be further divided. Over here you could see in the H part, you have 25 as a common denominator, that's a 25, and we are subtracting numerators, that is 21 minus 15, and it comes out 6. And 6 over 25, it shows that they can never be divided with some common table, as 6 and 25 is not in any table, and cannot be divided with some common number, so that's the lowest form. So this is how you have to work on the addition and subtraction of the fractions. You have to work on your diary. That's question number 1, B and F parts, and question number 3, B and D parts, same from the 7.3 exercise. And you have to do it on the neat notebooks. Make your neat notebooks neat, very carefully, and work neatly on it. So you can submit your notebooks when we come back to school, and I wish you really good luck for it. For any query, for any difficulty, you can ask me. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.